These are dark days, a time of multiplying crisis after crisis, bearing down on the poor, the vulnerable, and the sick. And what is already bad enough may be about to get worse when next month tens of thousands more are forced into fuel poverty by a government that cares more for the profits of energy giants than the people struggling to pay giant energy bills.
Felly, mi barhawn I frwydro, ac mi na I barhau I fyny bod na weledigaeth well y gallwn ni weithio tuag ati. There is a more exciting, a more compelling vision we can pursue than any vision reflected in the Conservatives' record or Labour's actions. So let's work together as people, as communities, to create that new Wales.
Both Westminster parties are dead set on turning Wales into an economic backwater, despite Wales having an incredible potential in every corner. Pob twll a chornel o'n glad. There is so much potential throughout our fantastic country. And Plaid Cymru is the only party that will demand a fair deal for our country every single day. Eich brwdfrydydd chi sy'n gwneud Cymru yn well wlad. Dros y flwyddyn nesaf, gadewch i ni sicrhau bod na fwy o leisiau yn gweiddi dros Gymru o'r meincia gwyrdd nag eriod o'r blaen. Let's start knocking doors. Together, united, we will win for Wales.
I feel the ultimate decision is in the hands of the Welsh people, in our hands. If we will it, it is ours. Nothing can stand in the way of the power of the nation. Take hope from those words. And with that hope, let us take power as a nation, for the nation, and from our nation to the world, to own our own wealth, our destiny, our future. Now is our time. For after the darkest winter always comes the green fuse of spring.